lo ne romo konyi kadi pe gang kwan konyi gi gama dungata anyway madi ke chera chuno gen chuni gi tega hado ngeno ngi making arrangement kide ma chule chero ka chuna gang ne anyire me no ke jibo tedo no tedo dero iri kom tedo ikome ino chama no ok ne joni welcome ngin ngi tira yot ino uno bedo ku jaga chaka ka kodo lo ganyire mo kene kanya nyaga ma lok tie komeni tia yibo chom kelo chom kong u chamo kuno kadong u chaka lok tega ming mo yelo ini kwero chom no nge toro ken peri kenyo muni ngera fa mare ba atia loko logene because tedio cho ku yani Sudanese nyo sa Sudan di chamo ko ganga inlos mai but ne chala ge bot ange ko bongo cho ester ma ti nyo maybe banga kwana weng so that was the reason atia kelo relating logene tell me about Madi have got married to them. Oh, okay. Yeah. My brothers, Guinea, and my older brother, yeah, they let take it down with Madi, Nyan Madi. So, Megan, I get you anyway. Don't worry about that. But on my experience, yeah, Germany, what were the gang Madi, Kachwana? Muno, what year official visitors? People, a lamuno go any VIP. Inge kit, kiraj mo manong o tolo. No long, actually one in la top box. Juni, you right now, you know. Kalau nge making arrangement nge Madi, Juni, tell you, title. Inyong ko no I kada ngura nya lok tega ini timo e ming mo e kwero chom kama no e chira chuna e bon mare ni no e balo ken peri joni ge wane ni ngare ni kiteraj a lot of question ma bino wigi pinga kwero chom disrespecting kaka igina culture eni wala ni ngoma ti atime so mira nya kana ko wala what is happening in all those questions ti bino ki bon mare piano e kwero chama dek magete do but kuna ngeni maybe no log me gene this log me negi you know angeo I'm putting ngaramo bino ko ngaramo bino live ko kawajana angeo question muno tie we kenyo ready ko ni e chama yat ge ganga in-laws one wa beda Germany for many years refugee no beda Germany over 10 years gini nek mere yatie but actually when yatie me nek la kento angeo actually mari they don't kill you anyhow kagi log me poison nge chira chuna tek magete de chamo unless ka no gimo tie irima right behavior pere ko no tie la kite money e wa ka go too much I jenya mer ni anagwa you know amira nyire maleng kono ni eno ge deno chan kenyo lakin te da majuni te da ma bota wo ma kira chuna ni because ini woto kama bo you know kedini yang kono ge me example bo rest of Sudan kaya chala ge gera mi pa jok ku je bino wong wai pa nya kwara kenyo no ge karo vila e karo kono magwi obo ge nga ge bina chuna to on distance any kado nge chemo ko moko no ko ibino go diko chon and mi de doko gan kai chemo ko nyono la like me dok chen wa wong kuje no idea so I think that was the reason mama de giti atimo kid jemo any pianin ke ya woda wela mi ro jol wela jone yebo ire da ge tomi komi so muno gimatie but bora choli nina logo lo mi ala tam kono mio yeah choli jago ge mi ala tam ka oge kombongi karong log bini ya kenya dong moko bena nyira mo kane ka beno mi ire bongo ge dong ho weng dong moko bena o chaga o yiwa wa neno ge weng ni okay wan wa bino ni na mo nyo akwai ge gang muno ngo bere yo matiba anya ka ne panga ni muno ma bini chok tongo line ultimo ni na mo kane tongo nongo muno ti amira ne ko kido kido ngani okay gi ene mi atim i go plan that's why actually luongo gana mo no ting kwa ka nyaga ge jenya eket after mi ko no bonge ge ko weng la tam ge ko no mene mi yo e cha go jenya mo mingo e no ga ube gi go plan e komi gi tingi no cái tình nó là cái đuôi cổ cái đấy game mà làm game mà tìm mày à vậy này game ở đi các bạn năng ở đi hoặc là tôi năng ở đi ít nông trẻ đâu cái nên ở trên cái gang mà nó ini tia ya juini without any notice question duong marai cái đấy game mà tìm là mày ini nó kan question me achel kan all this time mi bedo kwene te cái mi ngomo inyuro kame ayane cái tìm ta là đua cái in chen ai đó cái kame ayane ai no munu on poro pere ene ba cái no yebe wala yebe ko ye this is what is happening actually so anongoni yani kombedi kara ene mo tieni there's a lot of changes gini because gamo tia time boro culture actually oloje mana no olojo dit maraj so munu experience ma bedo kaneno na nyo what I've been saying kado ngara mo tie une this thing obedo gine live video ene po bedo pa ngara chiela kan unong po winya chalo tia o ma la kuchiel gi tam mo ma mira meda iro mera bolo na request o kan live gamo in line wege mi tam gi lwak nyo ilok kidano ngara mono chokan ya o man Helen achan Helen achan la to no choni yes kono yes mi ngere me ange ko aramo ngara mo chwal request ke ti tam mo mi no ni lwak ramo winyane o no ni amiro kelo tedi line tedi ka no ngira mo gamo ne bedo be matek mo mi to penye in question mo ma da dongo this Lumacu traumatized me Lumacu traumatized tedi Zingo, well, money ni watch again, but I need get your bino. They want to come live to talk. We have onongo in the main agenda. What age? What laom? Amira bini line, but he's not here. Hang on, let me get the names. Oh, good. Actually, Queen Teddy here been live. Teddy is still adding. Here you know screen parahani adding. So network and all that. No more. The guest declined the live video invitation. Kidemundo ni. Okay, Kate Dobinoko, I'm still trying to connect her. Kajamno Tiyoko, I need to talk about experience, what I witnessed in within the Western world, dating actually girls, actually girl, dating actually boys. Tope Martino be tope me chuna. In Ketila chuna matek mamira winyo lokperi. Maybe I can invite Okelo Z get experience. Jalteri inong network pero ito gay kodo. No answer. What going on? He keeps saying, oh no. Anyway, still struggling on there, trying to add Teddy. All right. Finally, Nyakelende Robin in line.
Hi.
Hello. Itiemo. Hello, Teddy. Are you there or not? Can you hear me? I can't hear you. All right. Okay. Atia winyimana nok. Teddy, I can't hear you. Maybe ngaramon kang ngaramon no winyo Teddy. Weka actual text ping comment ping kuno ni winyo. Teddy. Jone winyo ko. Well, technology. Teddy winyo agi line. Yeah, I think she did mute Genepere. I don't know. Connection problem. Or something else angeko. Or her earphones has problem. Ngaremo tie mamiro. Oh, good. Modesto, I kill any line after Teddy, okay? I'm still adding Teddy again. Oh, what happening? All right.
Hi, can you hear me now?
Loud and clear.
Oh, okay. No, you know what I've come to learn about us Acholi in general? We are like just a group of Nilotics.
Yeah.
We speak the same language, but we actually have different operations. We don't
Mm-hmm.
we don't we don't have the same way of doing things, because the way you explain the Southern Sudanese, the way they do things, it seems different from the Acholi
Mm-hmm.
Ugandan. So that is why
Yeah.
when you people are talking of Lamacu, for me I get traumatized. Why would I be No, seriously, I somebody was trying to explain to Zingo and I this morning.
Uh,
Like if you're a
yeah.
man, basically women they literally undress you or you undress the other partner to see whether the person is wearing a torn underwear or is well put together, such traumatizing things. But the purpose of the women going there is just for help, nothing major. The other things are just traumatizing experience. That's what they told us this morning.
Oh God, that is so
So,
interesting. Teddy, there's
well,
no lie. I mean, Germany, it's a true story now. That thing is happening with South Sudanese. Angeo wearing Uganda again. Lucky Bongologi about it. Maybe he's better or that way.
mm,
Bongologi. But then what I witnessed, you know, that one is happening. Lawo chama, I join you on live video. Ngaramo got Bore Messenger, then it disconnected me. Remember when
oh,
I said Ngaramo Borwe in neighbor Okwanya Dao, and then
mm,
Anyira Pian Cap, I actually kepo no, Anyara po, Pechamo Chamigan Canary, Miracle Yar. So I hope Uganda
um,
Benegati the same thing.
we don't.
Okay, all right, I'll come back to that
Uganda, we
one.
don't, with me, let me talk from my sister's experience. When my sister got married, like
Uh-huh.
when she went to visit her in-laws for the first time, like they want to see how much a woman eats, like knowing that we are paying in the right place. This woman eats correctly. But now with you people, you don't want us to eat. You want us just to sneak. So we are totally different culture. We speak the same language, similar language, but we are not the same.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, point noted. So yeah, that's true. I think kadongo wane ingere
Mm.
mame uchamo. Well, I would say different region, different let me say a different rule because we say a common understanding anyway. We have almost the same kind of culture, but then gamo matina tina matia different from Uganda and
Mm.
South Sudan. Yeah. Now